on Cooking with Lynja. We're making the most wonderful homemade waffles. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are all-purpose flour, kosher salt, baking powder, sugar, milk, eggs, butter, and vanilla extract. The first and most important step is to make the waffle batter. First, we add the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we add 1 2/3 cup of whole milk and 2 eggs and lightly mix. Finally, we add 1/3 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk it until the batter is smooth. Now that the batter is done, we set our waffle iron to medium and coat with cooking spray. Then we cook the waffles for approximately 3 minutes or until they're lightly brown. While the waffles are cooking, we slice up some strawberries and set them aside for later.
Oh yeah, Mom, the perfect waffle.
Finally, we garnish the waffles with syrup, whipped cream, strawberries, and confectioner's sugar. I'm making one for Dobby. Wait. Wait. Okay, go. Okay, baby.
Strawberry.